Reboot got caught in another lightning storm. And I am not kidding when I say it is the worst lightning storm that I have ever seen. This represents every single lightning strike in 45 minutes within a 12-mile radius of the boat. Over 4,500 lightning strikes. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you 4,500 strikes within 45 minutes. Bam. We've never seen anything like it before. Everybody was freaking out. It was awful. It really was awful. And it's so stressful because all you can do is sit there and watch and hope for the best and hope that the precautions you took worked. So what I did this year is every time, I have an app now. This is the app. I have an app now that tells me whenever there's lightning coming at me. And whenever there's lightning coming, I completely disconnect the Reboot from the dock. The only thing that is holding her to the dock is some non-conductive lines. I shut off the power. I turn off the breakers at the house. Everything. She's just a big fiberglass bathtub sitting in the water. Did the Reboot survive this time? Because as you know, last year I had her plugged in at the dock and she got hit by lightning and went down the mast, through all of our electronics, and then out the 30 amp plug and into the shore power. And you know what? She was okay.